We're here to look at your shadows today. There's something Spirit has to say. There's something that we're going to look at, something that you're going through right now. This is the time for you to embrace your authenticity. That is the message, a very strong message here today. You need to be your own true, authentic self. You will get more respect from anyone else. You got to stop being who everybody else wants you to be. Society, if you're already in the limelight and people expect you to be one way, but you know you're truly not that way, be your authentic self. You can change and rearrange. People will respect you more when you be your authentic self. They truly will. You would benefit from visiting an energy healer, getting Reiki or some form of energy healing. Google energy healing near me. This is going to help you see and feel your true authenticity and give you the knowledge. You may get messages while this is happening to you, while you're going through this energetic healing. I feel like you are the divine masculine. This is for a divine masculine, this reading. When you embrace your authenticity, because this is the divine timing that you were meant to see this today. This is the divine timing for you to see this healing energy message, because this knowledge is going to come to you. It's going to put you in your divine masculine energy, and you're going to rise like a motherfucking phoenix. And that's what I have to say today. This is so exciting. Because you're reprogramming your mind. That is a huge part of your healing, and this is going to help you manifest whatever it is in life that you want. A lot of people manifest money and success, but they forget about the joy, the happiness, and health. You got to remember, you want the whole package. You really do. You're healing your past, your present, and planning your future. Doing this work and being your true authentic self, you're going to see a big change. Everything is going to rearrange. Very excited for you. You could be a fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, that you are filled with passion, ambition, and you are a manifester. You've already manifested. Like, this has got to be for my celebrity collective once again, and you've been learning from your lessons. This is definitely for my celebrity light shiner influencer collective. You've been learning for your lessons and you're heading towards peace. Peace has always been the goal. And you have a warrior spirit. That's why you're going to rise up like the motherfucking phoenix, because you have the warrior spirit. You're going to draw in that abundance of the things that you are praying for. Just don't forget joy and love, okay? Don't just manifest success and money. There's more to life than that. I think that the person I'm speaking to already knows that very loud and clear. You've already accepted that and you're balancing out, my dear. And you, if you don't have an animal like a dog or something, like you have a connection with an animal, they're what calms you down. They can give you a real soothing energy. So stick around with your dog if that's correct. This is going to take you out of your fear. Astrology is symbolic here. Maybe you're not a fire energy. Maybe that's your north node. So don't take that as you have to be a fire. Astrology is on the table because you do have a burning desire. You have a burning desire for a mystical experience. I love mysticism. I love mystical. I embrace it full. Oh my God, it's amazing. I freaking love it. It's the only, it's not the only time I smile and be happy during the day, but I tell you, when I'm doing my mystical work, it is my happiest time of day. I'm not going to lie. I love it. I love being authentic and I love delving into mysticism. You're going to integrate this into your soul. You were meant to listen and take notes of the people that you're learning from, and you've been having dreams that this is something that you want to do. You do have joy, vitality, and success on the way. Everything you're doing is leading you in that way. I love you so much. Keep going and don't ever give up. I'm so proud of you.